Hello there, this is Shadi Shaffer from the Asset Protection and Elder Law Center, and today I wanted to talk about a situation where a parent has passed away. What do I do? And why is it important, and what do I look for in a probate attorney, and what is a probate attorney? So when a parent dies and when we get those calls, typically I already know that that parent did not have a revocable living trust. So when I get those calls in our office, a lot of times either the parent had no estate planning at all, so no will or trust, or only a will. And typically they have a home and other assets. So typically the assets are over $150,000, $160,000. And unfortunately, I'm having to tell the children what to expect and what the probate process is all about. But one of the biggest questions is, why should I hire you versus the guy down the street? And really, it's a personal choice. One of the biggest things I think is important to ask a probate attorney is, do you often charge additional fees, or what we call in the probate court system extraordinary fees? That's a really good question. One of the things people don't realize about the probate court system is that the attorneys, it's a set fee all throughout the state of California. So it doesn't matter if you go down the street. Typically, the fees aren't going to, what the attorneys charge is not going to differ. So it's a set fee through the probate code. So it's a set system, meaning depending on the total value of the estate, it goes into the probate code, and then a set fee is what the attorney charges. So that's a really good question typically that comes up. I think the biggest question is to ask, how the process is in that law firm or with that attorney. One of the things we take great pride in is really trying to settle our clients' cases as quickly as possible. Probate is a lengthy process, and you definitely don't want to hire an attorney that's going to not be ahead of the game and is filing documents and things, and then they're having to refile because things weren't filed properly. So that's probably a really good question to ask. Also, ask the attorney, how long have you been doing probate? How many probate cases have you done? And what counties are you familiar with? So our firm, we do probate cases all throughout the state of California. These days, it really doesn't matter. You don't have to be in Santa Cruz. For example, you don't have to be a Santa Cruz attorney to do a Santa Cruz probate. There are maybe some benefits sometimes, but really today, everything is electronic and everything is through phone and video. So these are just a few things to think of when hiring a probate attorney. Thanks, Shadi Shaffer, Asset Protection, Elder Law Center.